In the troubling incident that has raised concerns about political conduct, Joseph Mutema, the losing ZANU-PF candidate for Ward 33, disrupted a crucial budget consultation meeting held by the Gutu Rural District Council, Gutu RDC, at Salim Kabe Preschool. Sana bida mashku mbida nyuko pana bro subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipinda tiona avakomana ava vachitakunzi avakomana nebitterness nekuluza kwakaita timazim eonyora vachiti event intended to facilitate community engagement in the local governance was thrown into chaos when Mutema arrived dressed in party regalia. Witnesses reported that Mutema began chanting slogans, inciting ZANU-PF members to leave the venue. "This is not a meeting for outsiders," he shouted, attempting to rally his supporters against those seeking to participate in the budget discussions. His aggressive behavior not only created an atmosphere of intimidation, but also directly challenged the democratic principles underpinning community participation. The disruption has sparked outrage among community members and human rights organizations. We have condemned Mutema's actions as a blatant violation of democratic norms. A spokesperson for the prominent human rights group stated, "Such a barbarism undermines the very essence of community engagement in local governance. It is unacceptable for an individual to disrupt a public meeting in such a violent manner." Not aiwa mukomana uyu with the regime wekuluza zvake ari panapa achinzi nevanhu pamwechete human rights defenders aiwa chitiko chakaita ichiko yakapfeka regalia achidisrupta meeting yevanhu iri peaceful aiwa zvinyatsonekwa kuti aiwa this is an act of barbarism. Toze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi chamukomana weZANU-PF. Ina kumwe section medu dzamafunguro enyu musana subscribe or like, don't turn on the bell icon.